We have Cardano, or Cardano as some people know it, symbol ADA versus the dollar, being requested by Mr. Cole Evans. We're looking at a general overview of this one. Still a very nice and orderly consolidation at a high level right here. We do see, or do we see, let me just put on my drawing tools right here. Yeah, we got something like this going on. I draw a perspective uptrending line kind of governing this perspective ascending triangle, which is a reaccumulation formation at a high level. Obviously, they do have some sort of an event coming up, like their smart contracts or something, of which I've heard that there's maybe some issues with that. Who would have thought? But hey, at the end of the day, I don't look for a reversal in this thing, especially as long as you're above the 21 in this case. Closing the daily above all major moving averages is not in any way, shape, or form concerning to myself in this nice little consolidation. And more importantly, this also happened over the weekend as well, so you kind of can't expect a bit of sloppiness here. Anyways, my conditions for getting or looking for a daily reversal are still the same on this one. Below 250, very bad. Below 270, basically below 270, probably look for a greater consolidation, maybe a reversal on the daily. But for right now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, this one does look like it wants to range a little bit more. And again, this was a perspective trend line right here. It wasn't really based off of all that much. Should probably end up being something a little bit more like this if I had to guess. But for right now, it does look like short-term timeframes do want to range a little bit more, probably back down to like low 280. But overall, the conditions for looking for a breakout on this one are pretty much the same. Not on a 4-hour, or if you do want to use a 4-hour, I'd be looking at 304, which I believe is what we said on Friday, or last Friday, that is. On a daily, anywhere above the last daily high, which is basically 302. I'd be looking for continuation, and we do have a measure move on this one as well towards about 330 or so over the next few days. And again, we do see that volatility is actually on the ground throughout this whole consolidation. Now, I don't think that this one's ready just yet. I think it will actually spend a little bit more time within here. But if this thing does actually pop back above yesterday's high, we will confirm another drive of hidden bullish divergence right here. And at that point, I would be looking for the resolution, relatively soon after that. Anyways, looking at our momentum oscillator over here, let's just see what's most likely on the short-term time frame specifically here. And let's go down to a 4-hour. Yeah, 4-hour looks a little more range to me. Probably does come back down somewhere around about 280 or so. It's not problematic though. Again, doesn't really even break the short-term time frame range. That would be below about 270, 271 if you want to be, or sorry, 273 to be super exact. 4-hour Stokes remain to the upside as long as above 285. Currently 4 cents above, it looks like right now. By hourly is going to be showing what? Currently down as long as below 294, and hourly shows what? 291 is the magical number on this one as well. 12 hours going to be down as long as below 297, and daily is going to be down as long as below 303. So if you do want to make this one a little more simple, and of course this is not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. Yesterday's daily high is essentially a good continuation point on this one. Technically speaking, you want to see a closure above there, and then yes, I would be looking for the first move up to about 330, probably continuation towards the 272 or the 414 after that, which is like mid $3 or so. So still looking good right there. I don't really have any reasons to not be daily bullish on it as long as it's above about 250. Again, warning signals below about 270. So hopefully that was helpful. And there you go, sir.